Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. Don't look at the past, no, we're not going that way. Oh, now make it last, make it last to the break of day. No matter what people say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot for the gifted, triple shot for the...
What's up, guys? New day. 今日我哋帶大家去可能滘西洲 sailing 一下，on 呢一隻 Jeanneau Sun Odyssey 350。咁啱啱就上晒啲嘢啦，有啲火鍋嘅食物啦，個火鍋個煲啦，少少水，成篋嘅架撐啦，同埋啲 supplies。咁有 butter and holly。Alright， 咁放低啲架撐啦，大掣 engine domestic negative。Nice cool interior. Electronics, lighting, water, fridge. Don't need the VHF today, just inshore. Quick check of the battery, 12.4 volts. Looking good. Engine 12.8 full. Bow thruster even better. Water, fuel, all good. All right, let's do this, guys. Bed looking nice. Very wide saloon in here. Got my chart table. Get the winch handles ready. Now let's get ready. Ignition on. Start her up. All right, let's get ready to roll out of here. This cover. Yeah. Deploy the bow thruster as well. Quick check of everything. Looks good. All right, stand by. Okay, you can release it. Is it loose? Yeah, release that side. 好，放晒，抌晒，抌晒。Too easy with bow thruster. It's like a cheat, you know, with a bow thruster. Hey, look, it says CPM on that boat. I swear I didn't do that. Nice. Yeah, you got it. Now the sail is in the middle. You see it? Oh, no, stop. Hold it. Hold it. Yeah, okay. And then power off. Nice. Okay, now you're in control, so we're gonna steer the main. Steer it to the right. Let's head over to where we want to go. Kau Sai. Yeah, it's gonna take a little minute because we just started to gain momentum. Jib. Pop this blue sheet. Now we've got a bit of momentum going, eh? Stand by.
Stand by for what?
Just getting the steering back. Let's have a look at this. We're doing 13 knots apparent wind, speed over ground 3.4. Definitely trim the jib in. Can you take the helm, Holly? You hold it? Take the helm on that side? Yeah. I'm gonna go up to the jib, trim the jib a bit. Butter's taking the helm. You got this, Butter?
Did you see her paw?
Yeah.
Papa's taking the helm.
Good job, Butter.
Captain Butter.
You're going fast, Butter. Too much, yep. We're doing 12 knots apparent wind, 3.7 knots boat speed.而家差唔多到滘西洲，6 knot 幾風 2.5 knot 船速。Alright, sails are down. Dog is relaxed, I think. Heading to Kau Sai Beach. Captain Holly. Butter. Made it. It's about 4 o'clock now. Gonna let the anchor down. Well, I can see the bottom here.
Drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
We've got a little bit of oil, pre-oil going on. Spring onions. Yeah, I forgot the oil. Got beef, tofu, more beef, corn, enoki mushrooms, soy sauce and a little dessert, hot chocolate. Oh, that's sizzling good. Let's go.
This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
What a dream, guys. Sunset hot pot. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.